Jobs open in Mahajan Mathematical Legacy are 1. Tutors for new skills training math lab assistants, DO mechanics and land surveyor. 2. Setting enterprises for school math lab new activities, DO mechanics lab to assess drinking water quality, land survey lab to make patwari maps, social engineering plans, BOT projects etc. 3. New trades marketing soft apps for problem solving unit slope graph book for school students to draw figures. Farmers use it to keep land record of crops produced area, and a field book by land surveyor to record digital land survey data for drawing plans. Please forward the video and subscribe the channel. Graduates are trained for following to get jobs at GMAT franchise centers in the country, or they may set own enterprises. 1. Tutors for school math lab. They learn the use of unit slope graph workbook and soft apps for problem solving. 2. Graduates are trained as DO mechanics to assess river water quality. The trained DO mechanics can set own enterprise, or they may get jobs in municipal corporation. 3. Graduates are trained as land surveyor to make map and engineering plans. They also learn use of CAD software to process survey data observed by DLS equipment. Mathematical skills are developed to implant artificial skills in school students at following levels. 1. Students from class 6 to 8 learn computer hobbies like use of solar clock to manage daily events and activities, making figures by assembling given geometrical shapes. 2. Students from class 9 and 10 learn the use of soft apps for repetitive mathematical solutions. A quadratic equation, solution of set of linear equation, where number of equations are more than the unknown variables. For example, there are 5 linear equations in which x and y are 2 variables. 3. Students from class 11 and 12 are given ITI certificate training for trades like land surveyor, patwari map making, DO mechanics etc. Jal Jeevan Mission innovative concept. All river water does not flow back into river, thus natural water cycle imbalance occurs. Water shortage is predicted in our country because we depend on monsoon rains for agriculture practices. As weather is uncertain with time, due to global warming, water harvesting system is essential to meet future demand. Population growth also affects water scarcity, creating drought condition. Under these circumstances, lift and transport seawater back to river origin is effective concept to manage groundwater table throughout the country. Therefore, each state must plan and construct own salt lake to store seawater drawn from neighboring sea coast. Also, desalination ponds will be made adjacent to salt lake to promote salt extraction industry. GMAT Foundation has developed Jal Jeevan Mission project for Chhattisgarh to overcome water crisis. We request Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji to implement the proposed scheme to bring prosperity in Chhattisgarh and create jobs for millions of people in the state. Trades until the end of 20th century. Objects' position in the space is defined by linear and angular observation. In 2008, Dr. Mahajan introduced an algorithm to compute the angle between two linear distances. Thus, need of angular observation is eliminated. The new concept has great relevance in space research, particularly in modifying present theory to make soft landing of spacecraft on moon surface. This innovative idea marked the beginning of Mahajan Mathematical Legacy. In a period of little more than a decade, several mathematical theories have been modified with use of new algorithm. Therefore, need to revise mathematical literature is felt. Modifications in following areas are important. 1. School students' career building. 2. Graduates' internship training for jobs. 3. New startups and trades.
From foregoing information about Professor Mahajan Mathematical Legacy, anyone can guess its market worth. It is in millions of crore rupees provided he could expand the business across the country and outside. A team of educated workers is required. Journey from earth to heaven is everybody's fate. My mathematical legacy is outcome of my journey. From the school days I was fascinated in mathematical activities. In class 8 when I was taught that to make a triangle minimum 3 elements are required, a question came in my mind, why not 2 elements? Since then in free time I was working on the solution of the problem. It is my agony that I got the solution after retiring from government jobs. Therefore, I now look for a big business partner who could take over the legacy and make valuable returns.